For all the times you've functioned on no sleep. For all the hours you've washed, folded, sorted, and repeated. For all the mouths you've wiped and the diapers you've changed. For all the meals you've carefully planned and the dishes you've exhaustively cleaned. For all the moments your arms have gone numb holding a sick toddler or ached from juggling the backpacks, lunch bags, coats, and half-eaten snacks. For all the days you've sent your kids into the world clean and clothed only because you sacrificed doing it for yourself. For all the hugs you've given and scrapes you've kissed. For all the things you do every day that go unnoticed. We notice. We're moms too. And Mabel's Labels durable and waterproof personalized labels are designed by us specifically for you. We know firsthand how easy it is to lose your little one's things in the daily chaos of school or daycare, and we want to help take one less thing off your mind. By labeling your child's gear, you can rest assured that you won't be buying costly replacements or putting them in contact with unwanted germs. So, while you're busy dealing with what life is like as a mom, let us show you what life with Mabel's Labels can be. We guarantee you won't be disappointed.